Hey everyone, welcome to Roger's Auto Detailing Studio. Today we're starting work on this 2025 Porsche GTS 4, and as you can see it's a little dusty and has some road grime on it. We're giving it our Platinum Wash package. That includes a foam
Windows and sunroof are closed, that way none of our solution gets inside. We're starting with a rich foam pre-soak. This blanket loosens the road film and lets debris slide off instead of grinding into the paint. I work top down so the car
First thing, make sure the sunroof and windows are sealed. Nothing worse than water sneaking inside. Lay down a thick foam blanket. It loosens the dirt so we don't drag anything across that paint. Wheels get their own tools and brushes.
All right, we've got the exterior of this 2025 Porsche GTS 4 completely finished. The platinum paint is dialed in, the gloss is locked, windows and sunroof are sealed, and every panel is protected. Tires are dressed.
Before we get started on the Platinum package, first things first. Sunroof and windows all the way closed so no water gets in. Now we can dig into the interior process. We'll start with a thorough vacuum front to back, deep clean every door panel, condition all the way.
Before we ever touch water, I confirm the sunroof and all windows are sealed tight. With the cabin protected, we begin the Platinum package interior detail. First is a full vacuum, reaching under the seats and deep into the carpet channels. Door panels are cleansed with a
Working on the rear of this 2025 Porsche GTS 4. Sunroof and windows are closed so we can safely start the interior. First up, we're going to vacuum the hatch area and remove all the loose debris.